And we don't want them in our country.
I don't know if y'all have been on Twitter recently, but if you haven't, you guys got to go check out Somali Twitter, bro.
Another crazy story. Somalia, terrible place. Civil war. Clinton comes in, Black Hawk Down, feels guilty, says the way we're going to do this, we'll just bring them all here.
58% of Somalis in Minnesota are foreign-born. 85% primarily speak in a language other than English. 36% speak English less than very well. Here you have.
To all the Somalians who are posting video claiming that Minnesota was promised to you 3,000 years ago, that would put you back 1000 BC.
Donald Trump, my English not good. One day you said Somalia, no government, no safety, no nothing. Let's talk about America. Oh yeah? Oh yeah, that was that. Let's talk.
Yo, Minnesota was promised to us Somalis 3,000 years ago.
What's this? No, I don't like Somalis. I don't want them in my country, and they bring absolutely nothing of value here. And I know people are gonna sit there and scream and cry, oh my gosh, the statistics, they're so racist. But at the end of the day, the facts are the facts.
The one community that you guys can't show is the Somali community.
I live in Minneapolis. I've had Somali doctors, nurses, servers, Uber drivers. There are students here. I shop next to Somali families at the Mall of America.
I'm a Somali-American doctor, and every day I get to make Minnesotans healthier and stronger.
I'm a Somali-American risk manager, ensuring our financial system stays safe and strong.
Check this out, y'all. A Somali elected official was arrested on felony gun charges, and the timing lined up with the largest federal immigration crackdown on the Somali community in Minnesota, y'all.
Somali High. Minnesota is the only democracy in the United States.
A Somali people transforming cities and leading in business around the world.
Seated on the ground, keep your hands where we can see them. Move the next group to the bus.
Fatah is a Somalian immigrant who's running for mayor of Minneapolis, Minnesota. And recently, he just held a rally.
Hey, welcome to Minnesota, the land of the cold and the Somali American.
Minnesota? Nah, it's Minneschoolta. We're talking about the Twin Cities, which is home to one of the most vibrant and hilarious cultural mashups in America, the meeting of Black Americans and the massive Somali community.
Donald Trump, my English not good. One day you said Somalia, no government, no safety, no nothing. Let's talk about America. Oh yeah? Oh yeah, that was that. Let's talk about America, what Charlie Craig was, Everything was there. Police was there, but they didn't stop. Why? No check. America, no safety, no police, no nothing. Trump, okay? Because every day happen. Every day Somalia don't happen like that. Donald Trump, don't come after my country. Otherwise, every day I'll keep coming to you, sending you voices. Because I see every day people, every day in America, Twitter, they post it. Don't make me come and send you a picture. The other day, Ukrainian girl. Please, leave us alone. We leave you alone. Okay? Don't come after my country. Thank you, Donald Trump. It means good.
I don't know if y'all have been on Twitter recently, but if you haven't, you guys got to go check out Somali Twitter, bro. Like, they're absolutely rage baiting the shit out of all the conservatives on X right now. And it is so funny because tell me why they're all falling for it. Like, every single one. Like, literally, I saw 3 different posts about how various founding fathers descended from Somali lineage, or how Minnesota was promised to them like 3,000 years ago. And it's so funny because all these 50-year-old white men in the comments and replies are taking it so seriously.
This is another crazy story. Somalia, terrible place. Civil war. Clinton comes in, Black Hawk Down, feels guilty, says the way we're going to do this, we'll just bring them all here, and just starts paroling tens of thousands of Somalians into Minnesota. Now, why Minnesota of all places? It's not warm. It's not like New York City. It's because the Latin American migrants hadn't gotten there yet. So the business community was like, let's send them to Minneapolis because that'll keep profits up and keep the wages down. And then we could all pat ourselves on the back and say diversity is our strength, right? So everybody gets Social Security numbers and everybody gets welfare. And they form this huge voting block in the city. I think it's 80,000 Somalians are in the state of Minnesota, and they all vote Democrat. And so who figured this whole thing out? Wasn't just New York Times, wasn't just Chris Rufo. Doge. What did we hear in the beginning of the year? That criminals were ripping off nonprofits. They were just stealing money. Dana's right. They happened in New York. It happened in LA. Remember they had, was it $24 billion for the homeless? You don't think this is happening in every city across the country? That's where the money's going. Democrats are always so worried about inflation and the social welfare net. It's because criminals are stealing it and they won't do anything about it. And they didn't do anything about it because of racism.
The first hilarious hurdle is the "which African are you" moment. For generations, black in America meant a very specific culture. Then the Somali community rolled in, and now you have two groups of black people whose experiences are worlds apart. The reaction I always hear, "Wait, so you're black, but you don't eat what? And your mom can't hear you with that head wrap on? And you speak what language?" It's a beautiful, chaotic realization that blackness is a continent, not a single monolithic experience. It's like finding out your favorite band has an international remix you never knew existed.
Minnesota was promised to us Somalis 2,000 years ago? Nuh-uh. The only thing that was promised to you Somalis 2,000 years ago is that light bulb-shaped noggin you guys have. Burnt light bulb.
Why are Somali people transforming cities and leading in business around the world? You won't see this on the news. You won't hear it in school. But it's time the world finally knew. The Somali people didn't just survive, they rose. According to international data, Somalis are the second most entrepreneurial people in the world, right after the Jewish community. Not because of privilege, not because of connections, but because of heritage, hunger, and hard work. When Somali people arrive in a new country, they don't just blend in, they build in. They don't just rent homes, they own properties. They don't just get jobs, they create them. In Minneapolis, they turned Lake Street into a thriving Somali business hub. From malls to real estate firms, they rebuilt the local economy, quietly, powerfully, intentionally. In Nairobi, they transformed Eastleigh into one of the busiest commercial centers in Kenya. It's now called Little Mogadishu, powered by Somali imports, exports, and logistics. In Toronto, they brought flavor, faith, and future. Running businesses, building communities, raising children who graduate, lead, and give back. In London, they took neighborhoods forgotten by the system and gave them life. Through halal restaurants, schools, mosques, delivery networks, community groups, they made space for everyone. Across the world, the Somali people have become builders of society.